Hello there, and welcome to Stager. You just started with Stager, and now you want to get your ticket sales online. This video is all about the first step, doing the necessary admin stuff. Stager is more than ticketing. You can also organize your production and personnel with Stager Cool and Stager Awesome. You might be using Stager Free, which works great to sell tickets. Here, we're looking at Stager Awesome. Stager is event-based, which means that an event is a central subject and you work from there. This is also where you set your ticket prices. We'll show you this later. First, you have to make sure that your Stager settings are correct. This is something you only have to do once. Admin is the place to adjust settings. Let's first invite some more users to join. It's more fun to organize an event with a team. Fill in their username, name, and email and send the invitation. And now you determine their fate. I mean permissions. What parts of Stager they get to see or modify. Lock is only applicable to the main page of an event. With this permission, you can lock down that page so that other users with modify cannot alter it. Don't forget to hit save when you're done. An invitation email is sent to the new user to activate the account and set a password. They can now enter the Stager backstage and start helping out. It's important to check and complete your account settings like billing email address and bank account number. We want to be sure the revenue goes to the right person. Other settings are also important. Here you fill in the sender email and name that visitors see when receiving tickets. Make sure email author and tickets from are filled in properly. Do you use Google Analytics? Fill in the ID to connect your data. Make your ticket look amazing and recognizable by uploading your logo and an e-ticket image. The e-ticket will be visible on all tickets of all events. Upload an agenda of upcoming events, directions to your venue, or your house rules. You can also upload a specific image per event. We'll show you that in our second video. The Stager logo is the logo shown in your Stager account in the top left, but also in emails sent with Stager. Make sure you upload your logo here to show who you are. You can personalize the email visitors receive in Email Settings Ticket Email. Add your own message or some practical info. And where are these events you organize? Go to Venues and add a venue. The address will be printed on the ticket. Okay, we went through all the basic settings. Time to customize and get everything set up for ticket sales. Ticket Shops is the place where you design your own awesome ticket shop. The All Events ticket shop shows all your events. Additionally, you can create multiple ticket shops with different themes. Make your marketing team happy. Connect your Facebook and Google ad campaigns to the ticket shop by adding a Facebook Pixel or AdWords ID. Check our help center on how to set up these campaigns. Upload your logo and add a cool image of your toko or an awesome GIF as background image. Play around with the settings and colors to make your shop look perfect and match your corporate identity. Beautiful! Now let's get to business. What kind of tickets do you want to sell? Early birds? Sleepy owls? You can create an unlimited amount of ticket types. These can be regular tickets, promo tickets, free tickets, guest tickets, and group tickets. Name your ticket, set the VAT percentage, and decide what the web fee per ticket will be.
Now pay attention.
We're talking about fees, not the ticket price. With this web fee, you can cover your Stager fee. You decide how much your kickback is. This fee will be added to the ticket price as service costs. Later, when you create an event, you will set the selling prices. More about that in our second video. We're almost done. The last thing is deciding what information you want to ask your visitors. Under defaults, you'll find the customer registration. Name and email are always required by Stager. Asking more data will give you better insights of your audience. City, date of birth, and gender are the 3 registration fields that are used in the ticket sales graphs. All set and done. Now go watch our second video to learn how to create an event and start selling those tickets.